Hello everyone. Today I will be showing us how to apply the borderline in your Excel sheet. The difference between this page and this page is that their borderlines were applied here, while in this case there are no borderlines. So quickly, this is how to apply the borderlines. You need to highlight the parts that you want to have the borderline to. For instance, if I want this to look exactly like this, all I need to do is to highlight that area, then I come to this option here to the border and I click on all borders. So it's going to give me this. I can do the same for this and I'm going to have the same effect. All borders. All borders. Now you can undo this. To undo this, you do the same. You highlight the area and you go back to the option, no border. So this, you can explore this option as you wish. For instance, if I want to have just a line here, all I need to do is to highlight this area and I come to this option and I click on bottom border. So this gives me a thin line. If I want the line to be a bit thicker, I come here again and I look for a better option, which is the thick bottom border. So this gives me a thicker line. I can do the same. I can decide to apply a line here. All I need to do is to highlight this part and I explore the option again and I come to bottom border. So it depends on whatever you want. I can decide to highlight everything again and decide that I want to apply borders to all, and I have this option. So I hope you found this video helpful. Hello everyone.